Hello, today we will guide you through how to enable animated emojis in Zoom app. If you want your reactions in Zoom to feel a little more lively and expressive, turning on animated emojis is a quick setting to adjust. We'll walk through the process clearly so you can find it without any confusion. To begin, open the Zoom app on your device. Make sure the application is fully loaded so you can access your account options and settings without interruption. If Zoom takes a moment to start up, just wait until the main home screen appears. Once you're in the app, look to the top right corner of the window and click on your profile account icon. This is where Zoom keeps account-related options, preferences, and personalization settings. If you're already signed in, you should see your profile picture or a small account icon there. After opening that menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings area for the app, where Zoom organizes different controls into categories. This section is useful for adjusting everything from audio and video preferences to meeting features and interface options. Inside Settings, click on Meeting and Webinars. This is the area where Zoom places many of the controls that affect your meeting experience, including the way reactions and participant interactions behave. If you don't immediately see the option, just take a second to look through the list carefully. Next, scroll down until you find the Reactions section. Since there are several options in the Settings menu, you may need to scroll a bit before it appears. Take your time here because passing it too quickly is easy if you move fast. When you locate reactions, look for the toggle button for animate emojis. Click that toggle to enable the feature. Once it's switched on, your emoji reactions in Zoom should appear with animation, making them more dynamic during meetings and webinars. If the setting doesn't seem to apply right away, it can help to close and reopen Zoom after enabling it. Also, keep in mind that some features can vary slightly depending on your app version, so updating Zoom may be helpful if you don't see the exact wording right away. And that's it. You've now enabled animated emojis in Zoom. This small change can make your meetings feel a bit more engaging and expressive, especially when you want to react quickly without interrupting the conversation.